Now let us look at jumbo cylinders. Now these jumbo cylinders are having only 7,000 liters of oxygen, which is comparatively less than the liquid medical oxygen or the Dura cylinders. Thus these jumbos are operated into banks. It are called manifold. So the manifold size is like 2 into 2 manifold, 4 into 4 manifold, 8 into 8 manifold. When people say 8 into 8 manifold, it doesn't mean 64 cylinders. It means in the left bank there are 8 cylinders, in the right bank there are 8 cylinders. So 8 into 8 manifold is in fact 16 jumbo cylinders. Besides these two manifolds, the jumbo delivery system will also have a reserve manifold in which the pressure is kept little less. Now here a very important concept I want to explain is that oxygen always works on differential mechanism, pressure mechanism. So whichever system is going to deliver more oxygen, the oxygen will go from that system and the other system will not be able to discharge the oxygen into the gas piping system. Thus, if you set the differential pressure of a reserve bank little lesser than the pressure that you set of the main manifold bank, the reserve bank will only take over in case the manifold runs out of oxygen or there is some technical error. That's why the reserve bank is kept on a NRV, that is a valve which will not allow return of the oxygen. Now here one more point of precaution that we should take is that the oxygen will leak out of every jumbo cylinder in a very slow rate. So if you are keeping the jumbo oxygen cylinders on NRV valve and then keeping them as reserve, you need to always go and check and monitor their pressure. Monitoring of pressure is very, very important in using of the jumbo banks or any oxygen delivery system. The medical equipments will require oxygen delivered at a certain pressure, certain bar pressure. Otherwise, the patient will not receive enough oxygen. Thus, you need to be very careful and set up very good monitoring systems so that oxygen is continuously monitored in the medical environment. Otherwise, there is a danger of patient choking to death because of lack of oxygen. Now, we will also look at oxygen concentrators. The oxygen concentrator delivery is measured into LPM, liters per minute. These oxygen concentrators are using pressure swing absorption method, and widely if you look, right from small concentrators of 5 LPM which are portable to 10 LPM portable concentrators, there are concentrators available running into 100, 50, 100, 125, 300, 500, 1000, 2000, 3000 LPM oxygen concentrators are available. So this oxygen concentrators means more capex but less operational expense. So initially the investment might be very high and the purity of oxygen that they deliver is only 93 to 95%. And if you have a very, very stable backup power system, your operational costs are very less and you will not run out of oxygen while these plants are operating. So that is the advantage of the oxygen generator plants. In the current situation, definitely we should look at having more and more oxygen plants in this second wave of COVID pandemic that is going on in India. So these are type of various oxygen systems and the manifolds, and later on now we will be looking into the oxygen piping section. Thank you.